The 21st century will be defined by how we respond to the environmental challenges our civilization is facing. One important tool for addressing these challenges is Copernicus, the European Union's Earth observation program. The Copernicus Land Monitoring Service, or CLMS, is tasked by the European Commission with providing biogeophysical, land use and land cover information at the global, pan-European and local scales. The European Environment Agency, or EEA, coordinates the pan-European and local components, and in partnership with various stakeholders, such as the EEA's extensive IONET network, produces a suite of invaluable products that are free and openly available to any user. Take, for example, the European Ground Motion Service produces homogeneous, continent-wide maps of ground motion in millimeter per year vertical accuracy, thanks to radar data from Sentinel-1. These maps can be used to monitor displacement related to infrastructure, such as highways, railways, and buildings. It can also be used to monitor geohazards like landslides, land subsidence, and volcanic activity. Other uses include monitoring ground movements resulting from geothermal drilling or mining operations. If you are interested in the dynamics of European snow and ice cover, the high-resolution Snow and Ice service is also available. This service uses Sentinel-1 radar and Sentinel-2 optical and infrared observations to allow users to monitor snow cover on land as well as ice cover on European hydrographic networks. These data are important for climatology research, water management, and even recreation. Snow and ice data can be used to monitor avalanche risk in mountainous areas, or to provide data for the icebreaking activities needed to keep certain waterways viable throughout the year. The Urban Atlas derives harmonized land cover and land use maps with a minimum mapping unit of 2,500 square meters that cover nearly 800 European cities and their surrounding areas. The Urban Atlas products can, for example, be used to estimate population change, monitor the abundance of street trees, and provide measurements of building height, a metric used to evaluate urban density. Estimates of density can then in turn help to predict energy consumption, human migration, and rate of disease spread. The Small Woody Features product falls within the High Resolution Layers package. The Small Woody Features product can be used to identify linear hedgerows and tree rows along field boundaries, as well as riparian and roadside vegetation, and patches of trees and scrubs. These landscape features play an important role as supporters of biodiversity and ecosystem services, and the data can be used for the Common Agricultural Policy Indicator I-21, which aims to assess the area covered by landscape features in the agricultural land. The next generation of the Careen Land Cover component, known as CLC+, is designed to complement and extend existing CLMS products, some of which have been highlighted in this video. CLC Plus can be subdivided into two components: the CLC Plus backbone, a geospatial data component which produces 10-meter resolution land cover datasets, and the CLC Plus core, a database with a web application. Both together allow users to create tailor-made grid products known as instances, by combining the available data in new ways and ingesting data from other sources. Customized instances are being used to support monitoring, reporting, and validation, for example in the context of the implementation of the LULUCF regulation on the inclusion of greenhouse gas emissions and removals from land use change, and forestry. These datasets represent just some of the many examples of CLMS products which are freely and openly available to all users. Our products represent invaluable tools essential for helping us meet the EU's ambitious environment and climate policy goals, such as achieving net zero emissions by 2050, halting biodiversity loss, and restoring European ecosystems. Have a look at our website for more information, and don't hesitate to contact us there.